Good morning. It's Thursday, November 7th, and I'm on my way down to the NJEA Teachers Convention to present 3 wonderful workshops to teachers from ages of preschool all the way up to high school. And I'm thinking today about my class yesterday that I was thinking about, and how when kids run to the front to try to be first online, I see a lot of teachers reprimand them, and I don't understand why. Kids run to the front, they want to be the line leader, they want to hold the door, they want to do all these things, and they're aggressive. Yes, it would be nice if we lived in a world where every child would raise their hand and ask permission to go to the front of the line. But then if you ask permission, then everybody knows that you want to go to the front of the line and they're going to get ahead of you. See, we're not teaching kids, again, how to live life. We're teaching the kids, not me. I love when kids run to the front of the line. Usually they don't bump into each other, everything works out, and they learn, guess what? Some people get in first, some people are there second, and they learn how to do it. And then I have some of the kids that they're on their spots and they know when we're about to end, so they eye up and they book it as fast as possible to the door. And guess what? I love it. I love that there are kids that still want to move fast. I love that there are kids that still want to get in front. I love that there are kids that are still passionate about things, as opposed to everyone else who isn't passionate about what they want to do in life. If you have kids that want to get to the front, help them. Give them strategies. Show them how to get to the front faster. Why are you objecting to that? Is it because you're not that kind of person and you believe that falling into line is what we're supposed to do, so you want those kids to do that? My request of you, if you're a parent or if you're a teacher of a child, when next opportunity happens where a child runs or wants to be first or wants to run to the front, let them do it. If you don't let them do it, then just get that you are powerfully choosing to be selfish, and it's more important to deal with your issues and put them onto the child, as opposed to teaching the child about getting ahead in life and being first and being aggressive and taking action and using their energy to get what they want, as opposed to sitting along the sidelines off the court and waiting for things to happen and blaming the world. I appreciate you parents, I appreciate you teachers. Everything that you do is amazing. Let them be first. Congratulate them. See what it does to some of the other kids. Maybe the other kids, instead of just standing on line in the back, maybe they might get something out of it and want to run ahead as well. Why not? The future's ahead of us, not behind us. Have a great day. I appreciate you.